Welcome to Product Critique, where we take a closer look at the products you care about. In today's review, we'll be talking about the best Papermate Flair Felt Tip Marker Pen. If you're looking for a pen that combines vibrant colors, smooth writing, and durability, you're in the right place. The Papermate Flair Felt Tip pens are a favorite among many, especially for those who enjoy journaling, drawing, and writing with flair. These pens come in a set of 16 colors, offering a wide range of shades to express your creativity. The medium point, which is 0.7 mm, is perfect for creating bold, clear lines that stand out on any page. Whether you're writing notes, coloring, or doodling, these pens deliver consistent, smooth ink that enhances your writing experience. What sets the Papermate Flair pens apart is the smear-resistant and fade-resistant ink. You can write with confidence knowing that your notes and artwork won't smudge, and the colors will stay vivid over time. The water-based ink is another key feature, as it prevents bleed-through, making it ideal for use on different types of paper without worrying about ink seeping through. Another great aspect of these pens is their reinforced tip, which prevents fraying even after extensive use. This makes them long-lasting, ensuring that you can continue to enjoy smooth, reliable writing for a long time. The pens also come with a point guard that protects the tip from damage, ensuring that each pen stays in top shape no matter how much you use it. The Papermate Flair Felt Tip pens are incredibly versatile. They are the #1 teacher-preferred felt tip pens, making them an excellent choice for educators, students, or anyone who loves writing and coloring. Whether you're taking notes in class, making bullet journal spreads, or creating colorful designs, these pens will quickly become your go-to writing tool. In addition to being functional, the pens are also a lot of fun. With their bright and bold colors, they can add a touch of personality to any project. Whether you're using them for work, school, or personal creative endeavors, they bring excitement to every page. The 16-count set includes a variety of colors that will suit any mood or style, from classic shades to more vibrant and expressive tones. In conclusion, the Papermate Flair Felt Tip pens offer everything you need in a writing tool: vibrant colors, smooth ink, and durability. They are perfect for anyone who wants to add some flair to their writing and creativity. With their long-lasting tips, smear-resistant ink, and water-based formula, these pens are sure to impress anyone who loves to write, color, or draw. If you're ready to upgrade your writing experience, the Papermate Flair pens are the way to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews, and let us know what you'd like to see next.